If you're considering Sellvia for your dropshipping store in 2026, stop and watch this first. In this review, I'll break down what Sellvia actually is, how it works, what's good and what's not, and what it's really best for before you spend money or time. So, firstly, what is this service? So this is a dropshipping platform that provides pre-sourced products, US warehouses, fast shipping and integration tools for store owners. They pitch fast delivery and easy product sourcing, but like any solution, it has strengths and limitations. So what's it good at? So firstly, fast shipping. Having US warehouses is a big advantage if your market is in the United States. Then pre-selected products, ready to sell items with sales pages and AI with ASIN and LI listings. Also built-in funnels and checkout can help low experienced sellers get started fast. And upsells and order bumps are built into the system, which many standalone suppliers don't offer. And then let's talk about where it falls short. So, firstly, higher product costs. Products typically have less margin than sourcing yourself from cheaper platforms. Then, a limited product selection. Catalog isn't as large as AliExpress or 1688, and also oversized niches. Platform lock-in. Many Sellvia integrations work best inside their ecosystem. And then we have also subscription plus fees. Now you typically pay a monthly fee plus product costs. And now let us talk about the pricing. So Sellvia pricing in this year isn't cheap. You pay for access to inventory, funnels, and integrations. Compare that to Shopify plus Obello or Spocket or DSAS and external suppliers plus Shopify plugins. Your total cost may be higher and margins are lower unless your pricing power is strong. And then we have shipping and delivery. So one big Sellvia claim is fast shipping from US warehouses, often 2 to 5 business days for US customers. That's real and can improve conversions dramatically compared to traditional dropshipping shipping times. Then conversion and store features. Sellvia offers ready-made product pages and upsell funnels out of the box, which is a big time saver. If you're new to building product pages or cart flows, this can reduce setup friction. So is it legit also? Yes, Sellvia is legitimate. People have success with it, especially for US targeted dropshipping. But understand that profit margins are tighter. The catalog isn't huge. You may still compete on price and quality. So Sellvia is a solid service for beginners in US markets, especially if you want speed and convenience over maximizing profit margins. But if you're focused on margins or niche variety, there are other ways that may be more profitable in the long run. So that's our honest Sellvia review for this year. If you want a deep pricing comparison with AliExpress, 1688 or something else, let us know. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.